Hello and welcome to Remy's Art Club. Today we're drawing some waffle dogs on the iPad Pro. That's right, the expensive one.
For the first sketch, we're going to use a lower opacity version of the Nico roll brush of the basic presets. The chalky texture of it helps me to focus on light and shadow instead of edge fidelity. Then, to tighten up the diffusion of light, you can switch over to the smudge tool with the hard blend preset. It's got a tendency of looking a little bit like latex, but it's great if you use it sparingly.
Any recommendations for outlines?
Good question.
In the spirit of breakfast-based pastries, we're going to go on down to the inking presets within Procreate and select the
Syrup brush.
This is probably the most convincing ink brush preset I've ever tried.
This is an opinion statement.
You need some tapered strokes at small sizes. There it is. Controlled flared edges on a big brush. There it is. You need some lazy Nizumi style stroke averaging so you can draw with your whole arm instead of just your hand.
There it is.
Now, we've talked about brush selection, a little bit about waffles, but let's get to the real problem here. You might think woofles are pretty fun, but don't really feel like drawing. Well, don't worry. I got you covered. Head on over to my Etsy page and pick up an official Remy's Art Club Woofles window cling.